The sound is turned up and down according to what I'm doing. See how it's turned instantly off as soon as I went to grab the mobile. It's turned down as soon as I record. You know. It's an artificial reality. And certainly the humans that are working everywhere in this suburb of Leichhardt are using technology to track and to control my mood and my emotions. See how it's turned off now? It went like from louder, and the minute I turned the mobile, went to get the mobile even, as soon as I grabbed it, off or lower, you know, lower sound. Of course, even as I speak, there's a plane going over, but the mobile doesn't pick up the plane unless it's, you know, very low and very loud. But my ears pick up all these sounds as very loud, not just because I've been sensitized to sound over the last 7.5 years now, because you're experiencing this sound invasion of your ears every day. Whereas if you're in a normal suburb, in a normal city, you wouldn't have extra loud noises every single day. You would just have random kind of some, you know, like that are not like natural noises, but you wouldn't have an excess. And also all the cars and all the vehicles wouldn't be making negative sounds, using their vehicles as a sound attack system, you could say. And that's essentially how this suburb works. No, I'm stopping now because I'm losing time here, wasting time, going to record things when they're turned off as soon as I turn the mobile on. Plane going over now.